One of the best ways to stay highly profitable in the financial market is to have an effective trading plan. A trading plan is what that will keep you on your feet and make you become highly super profitable. Why? Because your trading plan contains these things I'm about to share with you. And if you're a forex trader, you find yourself struggling in the market. It could be that you've been trading the market for the past 1 month, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, and you're not profitable. This video will help you structure a well trading plan that you need to follow ongoing if you want to become a profitable forex trader. But in case you see me for the first time, my name is Remain Golden Trades. I show up here weekly to share my knowledge with you and to also let you know that forex is not that complicated as so many forex traders make it seem so. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. So in this video, I'll be exposing you to what AI showed to me on how you can develop an effective trading plan. And guess what? The best time to create this trading plan is on the weekend so that you can prepare ahead of the market before the market opens, all right? So without saying much, I'll share my screen right now, so let's get started. All right, so this is Char GPT, all right? And I asked Char GPT to give me an effective way to develop a strong trading plan as a forex trader. Okay, now what do we have? Developing a strong trading plan is essential, you can see, for success in forex trading. Here is an effective step-by-step approach, all right? Then number one, right? AI said, number one, you have to define your trading goal. I've said this in all my videos. If you want to become a forex trader, a successful one at that matter, you need to define your goal, right? Which is why are you a trader? Why are you in this game? Now be specific about what you want to achieve. You can see, don't set an unrealistic goal. You can't come into forex space and all of a sudden you want to start buying Lamborghini in a space of 1 year, even 6 months, all right? Now, are you aiming for consistent monthly profit? You see that? Are you in for the long time, not for the short time? So many forex traders came in from the angle of, football betting and, casino like that. But as a forex trader, you want to think long term, right? This is not the type of industry where you come in and you want to start making money immediately. First of all, you have to bury your head to learn before you earn. Now look at what we have here. Is your goal to build long-term wealth or generate supplementary income? Did you see that? Don't come into forex trading because you lost your job. No, you are going to be trading with emotional bias, all right? So you want to come into forex trading because you want to trade and you have a long-term target for it. Set realistic and measurable time-bound objective. Did you see that? Set goals that are realistic. You can't come into forex trading thinking with your $10 or $100 you can start making $10,000 in a day or even in a week, right? Your goals have to be what? Realistic, all right, and time-bound. Did you see that? Then number two, what the AI said to us? He said you can choose your trading style, right? Now, you don't need to jump from one approach to another. Decide the trading approach that suits your personality, right? Time commitment and risk tolerance. You do see that? So if you want to become effective forex trader and a successful one at that matter, you want to know if you are a scalper or a day trader, a swing trader, or a position trader. All right. Now, I don't care if you have been trading the market for a long time. All right. You need to reevaluate your trading style. Or perhaps you're here watching me and it's not been long that you started trading forex. All right. You want to pay attention to what I'm about to share with you. Right now, if you are a scalper, you should define it. If you are a day trader, you should trade like a day trader. If you are a swing trader, trade like a swing trader. And if you are a position trader, trade like a position trader. I have an explanatory video about all this in my video, right? You want to go to my playlist and find it out after this video. Then number three, determine your risk management rules, all right? You can't be in this business for a long time if you don't have a very strong management rules, how to manage your risk. You want to lower your risk and increase your income. Even a company, every successful business people want to reduce their cost of production and maximize profits, right? So you want to define how much of your capital you are willing to risk per trade, whether 1 or 2%, right, of your capital. And that is what I recommend. In fact, I also recommend 0.1%, 0.5%, not even up to 1% as a word for beginner forex trader. Let's say you have an account of $100, right? And you can't just say you want to go all in, margin call. No. Some people even tell you go hard or go home. You don't retreat with that mentality. You are in here for the long time, right? So think long time. So don't say you want to go hard or go home. No. Learn to start with at least 1 or 2% first. Understand the market. Understand how risk management works. Before you may now want to increase your risk, but learn how to lose and learn how to lose small. That is risk management, all right? Now, established position sizing rules based on account size and leverage. A lot of people don't even understand what is called position sizing. I just released a video about this. It's in my playlist about how you can effectively calculate your lot size. Like we have 3 types of lot sizing. We have the micro, the minor, and the standard. So go check that video out. Now, this what we have here is set stop loss. Most people don't like to set stop loss. They will just want to say, okay, I can manage my trade by myself, or I can just, use artificial stop loss. No. If you want to know an effective and a profitable forex trader, it starts by the way they, execute their trade. I, for one, will never execute any trade that does not have a stop loss. I may not put my TP at first, but I will never execute a trade that do not have stop loss. My students know me for that, and we are big in that when we are talking about risk management. All right, take profit levels to control risk and lock in gains. You can understand that. Now, number 4, what do we have here? Outline your trading strategy. Okay, now choose a strategy based on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of it. I, for one, I recommend that. You can't just say I'm a technical trader and you're not looking at what is happening in the economic data, all right? Because normally the market is not just controlled by price. It's also being influenced by the economic information around the world, all right? So you want to be in tune and updated about what is happening in the country's currency that you are trading. Now, fundamental analysis focus on economic news, central bank policies, and geopolitical events. That's that for that. Then clearly define your entry criteria, when to enter a trade, and your exit criteria, when to exit a trade. I always talk about this as well. Most forex traders may understand the direction of a trend, but they don't know how to get in. The fact that you know where the market is heading to does not mean you can also make money. So you need to learn how to enter a trade and how to exit. I have a video about all this in my channel. That's why I come on here daily to give you, premium informations like this. And if you are not already following my channel, you are not doing yourself any good. Make sure you like this video and you subscribe. All right, let's move forward. Number 5, develop a routine, right? Develop a routine. A routine means a habit. I've never seen any billionaire who does not have habits. Look at Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos. They all have habits, all right? And as a trader, you also want to treat this as a business. You can't just say because you left your job, you don't have a boss of your own, you are a boss of yourself, you don't have a boss over you. They can just wake up at any time, you look at the chart anytime. No, you have to be accountable, all right, and be responsible. Have a routine. Set a specific trading hours to analyze the market and execute trade. Like I am in Nigeria, I'm in Africa. I like to come up to my chart. The market opens 8 a.m. my own time, but at least before 5 a.m. 6, I'm already on my chart, analyzing the market. And sometimes even if I go to bed, I may even analyze my market down. Then probably so by the next day, I'm already, anticipating what may happen in the market because I've already prepared my chart ahead of the time. Now, allocate time for post-trade analysis. I've always said this. The fact that you came out of a winning trade or you have a losing trade doesn't mean that you should not come back and see what is happening on the chart. Like if you look at this trade that we took yesterday, I went on this trade with my students yesterday and we made a lot of money. Right, you can see this particular one. This is SAUSD, which is gold. So we took profit from here, right? And when the market was done yesterday, I still came back last night to come and reevaluate it. That is what we call post-trade analysis. We also took a trade on GPP JPY, all right? And this is a very swing trade that we are currently still holding, right? Now, look at it, and I have a signal group that I supply signals to. These are VIP signal group. I told them to buy GJ, you can see. And this is the outcome of the result. This is the outcome. And this was even when the price have not even gotten to our TP because there are levels of TP, right? On this particular group, I don't tell them to swing trade. But for those in my academy, they are still holding this trade, all right, to at least over 1:14 risk to reward, right? We're still heading towards this particular high, right? So, but we still have to come back here to analyze the market. That's what we call post-trade analysis. Don't just leave the market because you're done trading and you want to come back the next day. No, this is how to improve your trading style and to have a very strong trading plan ahead of the market. So let's continue. All right, so that's what we call post-trade analysis and journaling to evaluate your performance. Journal your trade. So most of you don't have a book that you record, all right? Have a journaling book or you have some software online that you can use to journal. One of the software you can use is what we call one like this is, I think this is free, Notion, right? You can use this site to journal your trade. You can start with the free package, right? I'm not affiliated with this. and this is $10 for a month, and the rest $15. You can journal your trade here and track your trade. As you move on, you become more profitable because you have something to reach to evaluate your performance. All right. Then number 6, use a trading journal. You can see that. Use your trading journal to record all trades. I just shared this with you. This is Notion, right? Or you can even have a private Telegram channel. This is a secret. You can open a private Telegram channel where it is only you that you are inside. Then you are sending signal to yourself. Whenever you take signal, send it. That could be like a form of journaling. For instance, I have a private Telegram channel that I am the only one inside the group. This is my synthetic indices small account growth, right? I just decided to do this by myself. I'm the only member here. You can see all the trade that I'm taking, all the trade that I took. I send them here for my own personal journaling, all right? So you can come up with your own creative ideas, how you can improve your own trading style, okay? Now, you record your entry and your exit point. How did you get in on the trade? How did you exit? What is your profit and what is your loss, right? Evaluate your trade, then you will know which particular pair to focus on and which one you should not even start or continue trading. Now, the reason for the trade should be there, and emotional states, right? These are how you can track your performances, right? And regularly review your journal to identify patterns, strengths, and areas of improvement, all right? If you are that type of trader who likes to short the market, maybe you are always good at selling than buying, or you are good at buying than selling, or you are good at a particular strategy, maybe double top, or breaker strategy, or you're always good at maybe supply and demand strategy, or probably Fibonacci strategy. It is through your journal that will show you how you've been performing over time. Now let's move to number 7, all right? Now, number 7 said test your plan. Did you see that? Start with a demo account to practice your plan without risking real money, okay? I don't like the way some people approach demo account, okay? Now, the way you approach demo account is the same way you approach your real account. Why? Because whatever you do on a demo account reflects on your real account. Don't say because it's a virtual money, so you can just place any lot size. No, because you won't do that when you have a real account, right? Even when I do trade demo account, I don't just put in any lot size. It was through demo account I got to understand how to get my position sizing correctly. Did you understand? So don't just say because you are trading demo account, you can just put in any lot size or just enter a trade without considering any factor. That is a wrong way to improve your trading style. Now, monitor performance and redefine the plan based on results. Right? Monitor your performance. Which trade are you getting it well? Which trade is not performing well? And focus on the one you perform well than the one that are not performing well. Transition to a live account only when consistently profitable on the demo account. Did you see that? So you can't move from a demo account to a live account if you have not been able to understand the process yet, right? Now, for those who are just getting into forex trading, this particular one will be so interesting to you, right? And will be so helpful. Now, number 8, stick to the plan. Did you see that? Follow your trading plan strictly, avoiding emotional deviation, all right? Now, one thing that I caught myself doing when I was starting out, and that delayed my journey of becoming profitable in the market, was because over the weekend, I will plan my trade. Then during the week, I will see myself not trading my plan. Why? Because I belong to several Telegram group, right? And I'm waiting for, evaluation, right? I needed to take my own trade, but because I need evaluation, I'll be looking at what other people are doing in the market. Are they seeing what I'm seeing? Are they trading the same pair? Sometimes I'll be seeing sell and somebody else is saying buy. I will abandon my own and want to take theirs. And before you know it, I blow money. So until you start becoming accountability to yourself and forget all other ones, focus on yourself, you will not become profitable, right? So treat your plan strictly. Don't leave your plan and trade another thing you did not plan for. Don't analyze USD JPY and go and take Euro USD. That is a bad trading plan. So adjust the plan only when it's necessary based on thorough evaluation and market condition, right? Now, no one is telling you to change your strategy or change your plan, but you can always redefine it and adjust it to suit the current market condition. Why? Because the market is not static. The market is constantly, revolving, and you want to always change alongside with the market as well. Number 9, continuously educate yourself, and that's the best part to grow. Nobody knows it all in the market. Even based on my knowledge on the market, I'm still reading, I'm still studying. I'm still delving more into more knowledge so that I can get, the more you learn, the more you earn, right? Stay updated on market trends and learn from experienced trader, right? This is where mentorship come into play. At first, I thought I could learn Forex myself, and that wasted my time, wasted my money. I kept burning blowing account from account to another account until I give myself the psychological permission to seek for a mentor, and that changed my life. All right, and I'm not saying you should, go and do that, but if you have the capacity, why not look for a mentor that can help you, all right, and shorten your learning curve. That's the best way to learn, because whatever you invest in forex trading, definitely you're going to get it back in the market the very day you become profitable in the market. All right, so explore books, learn to read, webinars, watch videos. Don't just watch how to do this. No, come to YouTube, go to podcasts. All right, watch people's podcasts. This is YouTube. All right, now I don't just listen to forex exchange. This come to podcast, right, and see what other people are talking about trading. Use it to educate yourself, learn from their psychology, learn from their experience. All right, watch their interview more than the way you look for strategy. Strategies are the same. There's no strategy that can give you 100% accuracy. I just listened to this one today, how this guy was the first, highest paid $3 million profit trader. I watched the video, it's 1 hour video, and now, in fact, I'm still currently on it, right? You can see where I've watched it to. I've watched about 30 minutes of the video, and that's what I do. I don't come home to YouTube to be watching strategy upon strategy. No, all strategy works. All right, just refine your strategy and make sure you know how to get into the market. Find your entry and exit point. Make sure you refine it, and come listen to people's interview, and that alone will also help you improve your trading ability. Did you see that? Explore books, webinars, courses to enhance your knowledge and skill. That's what Char GPT has exposed us into. And number 10, which is the last not the least, is maintain a realistic expectation. Understand that no plan guarantees success 100% of the time. All right, focus on long-term consistency rather than short-term wins. All right, learn to have this compound interest principle. You can't get 1 million in a day using a small account, right? Everybody who has been making that kind of significant figure started from that $10 each, $20, $100 stage, right? So don't underestimate the little days of your beginning. Learn to grow up and don't jump up. If you jump up, you will jump down, you will come down. But if you grow up, you will stay up, right? So learn to build consistency and have a long-term vision in forex markets. And this is what will help you become a consistently profitable forex trader. So I hope this got you interesting, all right? And I was so amazed too when I saw all these things that AI listed for us, all right? Sometimes you also want to use all this platform to find some educative information that can also help you as a forex trader. It's not everything about strategy upon strategy. The day you become profitable is the day you become accountable to yourself, and make sure you have your own personal responsibility. Don't apportion blame to other people, and stop looking for different people to learn from. Follow one person and make sure you learn their trading style. If my trading style resonates with you, and if you want me to mentor you, come on, you are all welcome. The link to join my mentorship class is in the video description below. Do well to smash that link, and I will be having conversation with you one-on-one inside my DM, all right? So having said all this, if you find value, make sure you like this video, and make sure you put in the comment section whatever it is that you have in mind to share with me, all right? And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.